Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix multi-snap option is not showing on your Snapchat. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, you have to just simply close this page, open your settings, and make sure that you are properly connected on internet. And after this guys, simply scroll it below, tap here journal, tap here iPhone storage, and after this guys, tap on Snapchat, and from here offload the app and reinstall app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is simply open your app store, tap here search, and type Snapchat, and from here tap on Snapchat and make sure that there is no update. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for the other solution. Simply close this page, open your Snapchat, and from here open your settings, and after this guys, scroll it below, and from here type here I spot a bug. Type here, tap on camera and write down your problem, and from here tap on choose topic, type here camera features and submit to Snapchat, and hopefully they will fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.